Know that due to COVID pandemic, CBSE has reduced the syllabus, and what are in the new syllabus? They are like this. So this is the new syllabus. It is the syllabus of English core, the code number 301, and it is for class 11 for 2020-21. First part is as usual reading section. There are 40 marks, and in reading 18 marks. So what is in the reading portion? You all know. The first thing is the unseen passages. So some unseen passages will be given to you, and you need to read the unseen passages very carefully, and otherwise you can't solve the multiple choice question, because you can watch that multiple choice question based on unseen passages to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Okay, so 10 into 1, 10 marks will be given from that. And the second thing is multiple choice question based on one unseen case based factual passage with verbal or visual input like statistical data or charts. So there are 8 out of 9 questions to be done. 9 questions will be given and you need to give the answer for 8 questions. So that will be 8 into 1, 8 marks. The combined word limit for both the passages for which those MCQs will be given to you is of will be of 600 to 750. Okay, so the reduction happens in the grammar portion as it contains 8 marks. So what has been given in the grammar, that is the multiple choice question on gap filling and determiners or tenses, and second thing is multiple choice question on reordering or transformation of sentences. That means first of all the filling in the blanks, and second thing is reordering or the transformation. That means some sentence will be given and you need to actually reorder the sentence according to your ideas. Okay, the third thing is very important, that is the literature section. You all know that literature section is the only section where you can perform well, as because you need to study it in your home, and you can actually get a good marks if you can write the question answer very well and to the point. Okay, so literature section, there are multiple choice question from an extract from the poetry of Hornbill book. So what are the books that has been prescribed by the CBSE? They're Hornbill and Snapshot. So poetry from Hornbill, and their multiple choice question will come, and to assess the comprehension and appreciation, any one out of the two extract to be done. Okay, second thing is multiple choice question based on two prose extracts out of 3 given from prose, Hornbill or as well as in Snapshot also, to assess the comprehension and appreciation. Okay, 6 into 1, 6. Text based multiple choice question to assess comprehension, analysis and interpretation from prose or poetry, 5 question out of 6 to be done. Text based multiple choice question to assess the comprehension, analysis and interpretation. So the NCERT question will be given in this case, 5 into 1, 5. Second part is part B, that is again there is also unseen passages. So in this case, note making and summarization based on the passage of approximately 200 to 250 words. So a passage of 200 to 250 word will be given to you, and you need to make notes and summarization of that passages. So note making contains this type of part, and summary contain those type of part. Okay, the writing section contains 16 marks. This is the most important section where you need to practice a lot by yourself. First writing that may come in your syllabus, that is the short writing, notice writing. Second thing is poster writing. Third thing is letter based on verbal or visual inputs, which are very common in our day-to-day life. And fifth thing is writing composition based on visual or verbal inputs, may be descriptive, argumentative in nature, as speech or debate. The theme should be contemporary topical issues. One out of the 2 given question will be answered. So here there always 1 out of 2 question you need to answer. And the most important part, where you need to learn a lot of long question, you need to practice a lot of long question, you need to make notes for a lot of long question. Those are literature section. In literature section there are 16 marks, 2 short answer type question, 1 from the prose and 1 from the poetry from the book of Hornbill. Out of 4 to be answered, 30 to 40 words. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. In question 7, 1 short answer type question from prose, Snapshot. The Snapshot books prose will be given and to be answered in 40 to 50 words. question should elicit inferential response from critical thinking. Again, any one of the two question to be done, that will be 1 into 2. But here one long answer type question, there is also one long answer type question, one from the prose or poetry of Hornbill and one based on the chapters from the book of Snapshot, to be answered in 120 to 150 word. They are 1 into 5 5, they are 1 into 5 5. But due to COVID pandemic, you all know that the syllabus has been reduced. But what were in the previous syllabus? They are like this, but those are actually not in your syllabus, actually reduced from the syllabus. They are writing, grammar from modals, clauses, change of voice, error correction, and in writing, classified advertisement, letter to the editor, application for a job with a biodata or resume, article or report writing, narrative. And in literature, Hornbill, in from Hornbill textbook, father to son, the adventure, Snapshot, the prescribed books is are Hornbill and Snapshot, you all know, but those type of things are actually not in your syllabus, so you don't need to prepare for these issues. The books of Snapshot, the book of Hornbill, the grammar of this category and the writing of those categories. Okay, so those are the division. Reading comprehension, we have 26 marks. Creative writing and skills and grammars, 24 marks. In literature textbook and supplementary reading text, we have 30 marks, so all will be 80 marks. And one of the most important is assessment of listening and speaking skill. They contain 20 mark, but the whole thing will be given as per the school's choice, so you can predict right now. Okay, so you can prepare easily, as because some topics are not included in your syllabus, has been reduced from the syllabus of the CBSE, so you can prepare very well, and there 1 year relax and prepare yourself for this examination. Okay, thank you.